नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है खेमचंद और आप देख रहे हैं द न्यूज एम। जैसा कि अभी कोविड शील्ड के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा खबरें उड़ी हैं, उसके बहुत ज्यादा साइड इफेक्ट निकल कर आ रहे हैं। तभी एक वीडियो निकल कर आ रहा है डॉक्टर एमबी पद्मा श्रीवास्तव, जो न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट है, जिन्होंने कोरोना में बहुत सारे अच्छे कार्य किए हैं और कार्य करने के साथ साथ उन्होंने कोविड में अपना वैक्सीन में कुछ योगदान भी दिया। वीडियो निकल कर आ रहा है और उनसे हम तर्क समझते हैं और चीजें समझते हैं कि कोविड शील्ड के कितने ज्यादा साइड इफेक्ट हैं और कितने ज्यादा साइड इफेक्ट नहीं हो सकते हैं।
Time that AstraZeneca has accepted the fact that the COVID vaccine manufactured by the AstraZeneca can have side effects, that is TTS. What exactly it is?
So TTS is thrombosis thrombocytopenia syndrome, which is one of those situations where there can be clots formed in the blood vessels. So it can be due to numerous reasons. I mean, it's been a described syndrome. It's been known to happen with some sepsis syndrome, and there are several other situations. So it's clinically it's a hazardous situation because it can cause clots in blood vessels. So obviously it may have disastrous consequences in terms of strokes and heart attacks. That can happen with this TTS.
Ma'am,
So when we talk about heart attack or a brain attack, we're essentially saying that the crucial blood supply going to these very vital organs is suddenly cut off. So it's no-brainer that when the blood supply is cut off, there will be heart attacks and strokes. So that can manifest. I mean, that's like, carrying coal to Newcastle. When we say that what is heart attack, there'll be obviously features of sudden chest pain and breathlessness and consequences even leading to that. And then of course stroke is sudden paralysis, sudden loss of a very vital function. So sudden loss of a brain function is a stroke, and ischemic stroke is the commonest variety. And so for clots in the blood supply to the brain will cause strokes. So it's again, as I say, it is almost common sense to know that when there is a clot in a blood vessel, that blood vessel is supplying an essential part of our body. Then that part of the body will stop functioning. If it is in the heart muscle, you'll have a heart attack. If it is in the brain, you'll have a stroke.
ma'am,
Are you talking about TTS in general or TTS which has been reported with some vaccines?
with some vaccine.
Well, for the vaccines part of it, the TTS, I've also read the recent report which has said that rarely it's happening. But I must say this, that when you're looking at vaccines, now vaccines are being given to protect a particular issue. Whenever there are vaccines which are rolled out for protection against a major health problem, there will always be a spin-off of certain consequences. So in this case, I believe that in rare situations, the vaccines have caused this TTS. Be it as it may. Now, there are vaccines, whenever we give them, vaccines have been there with us, ever since we were born. And they are protecting some extremely bad viral infections. So some spin-offs, like viruses causing some fevers, the vaccines causing some fevers, or vaccines sometimes may cause major fevers. We do see that, but percentage is so small compared to the large.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it